So the Yeezy slide saw its third release this past holiday weekend, and it looks like prices are finally going down. But that begs the question, is now the time to cop? Before we get into the video, I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. You guys, we're getting so close to 100, I just can't believe it. Let's just get into the video. So with all the hype around this slide, it's really easy to forget that the retail price is 55 bucks. On StockX, this colorway was fetching over like $300 just a couple of days ago, and now it's closer to $190. $190 for an unapologetically injection molded piece of rubberized foam. As I was writing the script for this video, I was trying to come up with reasons why anyone would pay to resell on these, and maybe it's the Yeezy branding or the clean minimal design that the Yeezy team has been able to come up with. But I think it boils down to one primary reason. And that reason is I think this slide lives in a marketplace that is primarily untapped. Can you name any other piece of loungewear that you can wear out that doesn't look like you just decided to go get the mail? And at this point in time, it feels like everyone has all decided that this slide is not that bad. So circling back to the question posed at the beginning of this video, 190 bucks is still pretty steep to pay for a slide like this. But if you have the extra cash set aside and you really want to be at the forefront of this casual hype wear look, I'd say go for it. A lot of people are probably trying to offload their pairs that they got this weekend. And looking at this calendar Kanye tweeted, it doesn't look like it's gonna be re-released anytime soon, at least for the end of this year. But for those of you who are looking to invest in the sneaker or just have a little bit more patience, no, I don't think now is a good time. You can tell that this slide was meant to be produced by the hundreds of thousands, if not by millions. So I'm sure the price will go down continuously, but by the time the price is at a point where you want to buy it, is the trend gonna be over? And that is the question I've been asking myself for a while now. So what do you guys think? I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. But yeah, thanks for watching this entire video. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to join our crew, I'd really appreciate it. The subscribe button is just down there. But either way, you guys are the best. Bye.